fucking hammered it, dude. That's not as big as I thought. Oh, maybe it is, dude. Holy fuck. Here we go, baby. Second fish of the day. Just got the GoPro going, me and Matt. Out on a random lake in southern North Dakota. For trophy pike. He's nice, dude. There he is. Really fat. Really fat. It's tiny, but fat. Fat. Here, grab him. Got him? Yep. Sweet. Look at that little frickin' fatty. Hit it so hard it cut my finger. Jigging with the line. Fucking A, this thing. There we go. Yeah, you can just hold them from this end too. On the big old fucking spoon. Big old buckshot. Buckshot. Let go of the lure. It gets stuck, dude. Well, because you Yeah, I'm letting him take it. Holy fuck. This one's got some size, huh? Here you go, GoPro on? Yeah. Here he comes. Come out of there. Yeah. He's a monster. Decent. Holy, you set that perfect. Double lip hook. I let him take it. Boom, baby. On here. Is the GoPro on? Yeah. Lincoln. Yeah, now he's getting. Watch these other flags, man. Stand up. Oh fuck, he's a monster, dude. Oh yeah, dude. He's big. He's real big. He's fucking big. Here we go. Oh, he's heads up. Come on, buddy. No, he's going. Here he comes. Okay, grab him, dude! Holy shit! Oh, dude! Hook perfect again. Yeah. On the fucking old squirrely rod holder, huh? Yeah, I just had the drag set loose. Yeah, you're looking 35 and 9. Fuck. Powerful, dude. It's the one I just let go. GoPro on? Yeah. Oh yeah, he's on there. Got him? Oh boy. Yeah, put the line this way with the... He's heavy. He's pretty heavy. Coming right up though. Fucker. Oh, that made it easy. Yeah. Woo! Yeah, he's on it. Here. You already got it. No, it's still running. Gotta tighten this bitch up. In here, desolate North Dakota lake that has one species in it, and they are the great northern pike. And these aren't small ones. Oh, went that way. You don't want to give up, boy. I think we got a big one on here, boys. I think we do. Oh, he fucking ran up the hole. Oh, he's right here. Oh, no, he got off right at the end. And that... Oh, he's there. Nice. Oh, he's big. I can tell right away. Nice and easy. Let him run. Yep, he's way that way. Way that way. Now he's that way. That's your heavy tail too, isn't it? Stuck. He ain't stuck. Here he comes, leader. Got a nice pike on here. Footage here. Nice. Yeah. Woo. Didn't plan it, but we landed it. There's the fish. Nice. Well, we're gonna say that's about an 8-pounder, huh, brother? Yep. Nice 8-pounder. Nice set. Using the iFish Pro today. Pretty cool mechanism there. What a pretty fish. Nice one. Got a bleeder though. Let's put him back in home. We'll catch you. Little guy, huh? What we got, brother? Look at that purple. They're pretty. They're healthy on this lake. Super healthy fish. Oh, you got a mess. Oh, you got yours. Oh, fuck, I left my spreader.
Fuck, they're fat. Yeah, dude. Look at this fucking thing. He's shitting as he's fucking
shitting fucking shrimp. Still on. Show it to the camera.
They're pretty out here.
Another 4 or 5 pounder.
Smallest one of the day, if you can believe that.
Yeah.
Smallest one. He's a beaut. I thought I was on the ice. He's just not fucking heavy.
Dude. Yeah, dude.
He's
I
heavy.
haven't seen him yet. There's the fucking oh yeah, he's average. Just average.
Well, try to do a little more commentating here.
Oh, there's my snap here.
Like I was saying before, fishing a lake with one species, but it is a fun species to catch. And you get your cardio in working out here, boys and girls. We are tip-up fishing with iFish Pros, conventional tip-ups, a couple jigging rods in the house, and we are consistently catching.
It's a great day.
7 to 12 pound northerns.
Glad to be an American.
That's a beaut. Look
I'll
at that
take
boy.
a picture of it.
That's a beaut.
Do you have your phone?
Yeah.
I left mine. Where's that?
And you said it. Oh yeah. How's you feel? Another northern pike in the middle of a beautiful day in February here. Eric is handlining, which appears to be a monster.
Good one.
There he is. Oh baby. That's what I call a
5 pounder.
5 pounder.
Stop it.
I like
Why?
oh, he's big. He's fucking big, dude. No, let's go. Oh no! Oh, he's still. I fucking thought he got off.
Easy on the bottom of
He
the hole
felt
here.
huge, dude. When he hit, he took out a lot of line.
There he is. Oh shit! Hook's caught. Hook's caught on the ice.
Yeah.
Fucker. Let him drop back down.
I said it really good.
Yeah, it's
Shove your
in
hand
it.
down there.
No,
Really
fuck that shit. Well, grab the scoop.
Well, hurry up.
Dude. Dude, it's all right.
I want to see the rest of them. Here comes a run. Get it off? There we go. God, you felt a lot right here. You got here.
iFish Pro.
Come on, 40.
Oh, there he goes. Looks bigger, yeah.
He's bigger.
Get it all wrapped up. You ready? Stuck in the fucking hole. Did I lose him? Nope. Nope. Lost him.
Oh no! No! Oh, he's still there.
Yeah, you swam through
Holy
the hole.
fuck. Holy fuck.
You caught up on the ice there.
Yep. Oh, hold on, let me.
You still there?
Oh yeah. He's coming swimming to me.
There you go. Oh, there he is.
Oh, nice one. Wait. He ain't going nowhere.
Yeah. Almost lost the fucking run.
Woo! Woo! Drag was a little too tight.
Yeah, who shut down a Matt? Here, grab your fish here.
Ooh, barely hooked, dude. Barely fucking hooked. He was just barely hooked.
That's another 8-pounder.
Look at that stud.
You got your phone?
Yeah.
Damn. No, like, oh, you got your hand on the wrong side, but.
Yeah, I know. Let me try to switch this one. Alright, there we go.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. What a rush that one was.
Yeah, dude.
Woo!